Hazrat Ala Ansari, who swore an oath of allegiance to the Prophet ﷺ, reports, when the emigrants were distributed by drawing lots, we got Hazrat Usman Maz'un as our share. We took him to our house, but he contracted a fatal disease. When he died, he was given a bath and shrouded in his very clothes. When Allah's Apostle ﷺ came, I said, May Allah Jalla Jalaluhu bless you. O Abu Sahib, I testify that Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has blessed you with prestige. The Prophet ﷺ said, How do you know that Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has bestowed honor on him? I said, O Allah's Apostle ﷺ, may my parents be sacrificed for you. On whom else will Allah Jalla Jalaluhu bestow his honor? He ﷺ said, Death has captured him, and by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu I expect good for him, but by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, though I am Allah's Apostle ﷺ, I do not know, cannot conjecture what will be done with me. She said, I, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, will never assert the piety of anyone. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 1243.